In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a members-only page in Wix. We will be doing this directly inside the Wix editor, and the process is very straightforward once you know where everything is. The goal is to create a page that only registered members can access, and then make sure the sign-up and login experience looks the way you want. To get started, open your Wix editor. Once you are in, look over to the left sidebar and click Add Apps. This is where you can expand your site's functionality with built-in Wix tools and integrations. In the search bar, type Wix Members Area, then click Add to Site. As soon as you add the Members Area, Wix will automatically create a default set of member-related pages for you. These usually include pages such as My Account and Profile. It also enables visitors to sign up and log in, which is essential for any members-only experience. This saves you a lot of setup time because Wix already provides the basic structure you need. Next, you'll want to restrict access to the page you want to make private. To do that, go to Pages and Menu on the left side of the editor. Find the page you want to limit access to, hover over it, and click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. Then click Settings and open the Access tab here. You can choose who is allowed to view that page. Select Site Members to make the page available only to logged-in users. After that, you'll see different access options. If you choose All Members, then any visitor who signs up and logs into your site will be able to access the page. If you choose Specific Members, you can narrow access down even further by using roles or pricing plans. For example, you could allow only VIP members or only people with an active subscription to enter that page. This is especially useful if you're building premium content, gated resources, or subscriber-only sections. Now let's look at the login experience. When someone tries to open a members-only page without being signed in, Wix will automatically show them a login prompt. If you want to customize how that looks, go back to Pages and Menu, then open Member Pages, and select Member Login Form. From there, you can adjust the design, layout, and even the fields visitors need to complete when signing up or logging in. This is a good place to make sure the form matches the style of your website and feels easy for visitors to use. Once that's done, your members-only page setup is essentially ready. Thanks for watching.